What is the best way to learn a new language? A smart study of foreign language learning in adults compared to methods. One is called as explicit or classroom method. This is a kind of traditional classroom teaching where students are taught a lot of information about grammar rules. The other method is implicit or emergent method. The idea here is to learn much the way children do when they learn a native language. That is, by being with native speakers and absorbing the language that surrounds them, generally without a lot of explanation. Teachers might combine these two methods into what Professor Michael Ullman calls emergent style classroom teaching. But is that necessarily a better way to learn a new language? Mr. Ullman was the senior investigator for the new study. He is a professor of neuroscience at Georgetown University Medical Center in Washington. He says he was surprised to find that combining the two methods might not be the best way to learn a new language. He says one possibility could be the earlier method could hurt the later one. And this is the problem of interpreting the data. Anyway, there is a recent research found that those who followed the emergent method had the brain waves much more familiar to those of native speakers rather than the ones who followed the classroom method. But he says further research is needed and teachers should not make any curriculum changes based on his finding. And he also said that might be combining the two methods be the best way, but we don't know about that. That is the end of my presentation.